In today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can get your 1000 subscribers within 7 days. Yes, it's possible. How you can get it within 7 days. So if this is the kind of video that you are interested in, watch the video to the end. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so many of us are struggling to get our 1000 subscribers. Many of us are finding it difficult to grow our subscribers on this space, on this YouTube. But in this particular video, I'm going to be telling you one of the things that will help you to get your subscribers so fast. Okay, so number one thing that you need to do in order for you to get your subscribers very fast and so easily is by you posting shorts. Yes, create more of short videos. You know, short, YouTube push shorts more than it push normal video. YouTube shorts normally go viral than the normal video. Yes, so what are you going to be doing? All you need to do is go to other social media app like Instagram or TikTok, download all these trending shorts, all these shorts that you know that it will attract so many people, it will attract more audience. Something like if you go to Instagram, you're going to be seeing so many of traditional marriage trending videos. Okay, you can download something like that, edit it and post it in your short. But I'm going to be telling you how you can download it in order for it not to carry that Instagram logo or TikTok logo. Okay, so what are you going to be doing when you go to your Instagram? Okay, when you search for latest traditional marriage video, if it pop up so many videos, just check the one you like, look for the one that you like very well, copy the link. When you copy the link, then when you go to your Chrome, you are going to search for this the app that you will use and download the video. So when you copy the link and paste it on that particular app that you are using to download video, okay, so just paste the link in any of the app that are using to download video from Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. Paste the link on that app, then click on download. That is going to automatically download inside your phone. So when it's downloaded inside your phone, you can now use your CapCut or InShot, any of the app that you are using to do your editing, shorten the video and post it on your short. Okay, so when you post it on your short, it will help you to get your subscribers so fast. When you post it on your short, it will attract more audience and it will help you to get your subscribers so fast. So when you get that complete 1000 subscribers, you can delete all those videos. Yes, make sure you delete them before you reach the criteria for monetization, because if you did not delete it and you reach the criteria for your monetization, it might affect your monetization. Or the reason why you need to delete it is once you get your 1000 subscribers, you delete all those videos so that at least you will build the new subscribers that will love what you are doing, the new subscribers that will engage in the type of content that you are creating. Remember, your aim of posting that short is just for you to get your 1K subscribers. Okay, so that you know that your focus will now be on your watch hour. You will not be struggling for getting your subscribers and also getting your watch hour. You will only focus your attention on growing your watch hour. Okay, so once you get that complete subscriber, that your 1K subscribers complete, delete all those shorts and focus on long videos. Yes, focus on long videos and start building your watch hour up. Okay, start building your watch hour, and you're going to forget about subscribers because your 1K subscribers are already complete. One short video can even get more than 1000 subscribers for you. It depends on how many people that watches the video and how many people that are interested in the video. Let's say you post a short that have like 5000 subscribers and 1000 people are interested in that video, 1000 people like the video, they subscribe to your channel. Can you see that one short video have just gotten the complete subscribers that you need? Okay, so by you posting shorts, if you post shorts very well, you are going to get your subscribers so fast. If you're into lifestyle vlog, you can also use your content, all those your lifestyle videos, you can post it as shorts, and that will even be more better because when people watch the lifestyle video that you post on your short video, if they subscribe, they're going to be your genuine subscriber because the same thing you post in your short are also the same content that you post in your long form videos. Okay, but for those people that that are not into lifestyle vlog, you might find it very difficult to get your subscribers. So that is why you need to go to any of these is either Instagram or TikTok to get the videos that will help you to get your subscribers so fast. So guys, we have come to the end of this particular video. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, okay, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you.